Hello friends, welcome back. In the previous video, I showed you how to install WordPress locally, and now I am going to show you how to build your website in local WordPress. So before we start building our website, we need to install some plugins and themes, so let's get started. Inside the WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New, and search for Elementor. Install it, and now activate it. Now, go to Appearance, Themes, Add New, search for Astra, install it, and activate it. Now it's time to install a template for our website. There are a lot of free and paid templates, but I am going to show you the free template to install. Go to Plugin and Add New. Now, search for Starter, install it, and activate it. The starter is installed. Just click on See Library. Click on the Build Your Website Now button. Click on the Elementor that we already installed, and choose a template based on your choice, but I choose this one. It looks cool and easy to customize. You can upload a logo for your website, but you can do it later. That's not a big issue. For now, I skip this stage. At this stage, we choose colors and fonts for our website. Choose your desired color and font here and click on Continue. Skip and continue. Add your details and submit. We are done. Wait until processing is done. It will take some time to process. Congratulations! Your website is ready. Click here to view your website. Now you can edit everything here. So let's edit it. To edit texts and images, click on Edit with Elementor. Select an element and edit it from the sidebar. To change pictures, click on each section and change the picture. So let's upload a new picture from my computer. Let's select this deer. When uploading is done, click on Insert Media. Great. Let's change one of the pictures of the services. Select it, and change the picture. Upload a new one. Insert media, and now you have learned how to change texts and images. So we have changed the home page. Let's edit another page on this website. To change pages we got two ways. The first way is to directly click on Elementor while the page is open. The second way is to go to your WordPress dashboard and Pages. Choose a page, and edit with Elementor. That's it. Follow us for more videos. Thanks for watching.